Uy, alam mo, mali ang iniisip mo na dahil 40 ka na, kaya lumalaki na yung bilbil mo. Hindi ganun yun. At hindi rin yan basta okay lang kasi tumatanda ka na. Kung napapansin mong sa tiyan talaga naiipon, maybe it's time to stop blaming your age and start looking at your metabolic health. I'm 46 years old, kaya ramdam na ramdam kita at naiintindihan ko yung nararamdaman mo at yung iniisip mo. Pero I got from this to this. Hindi ko binago yung mga kinakain ko, binago ko lang kung paano at kailan ako kakain. For me, what really helped was doing a metabolic reset, giving my body longer breaks from eating and adding these two plant-based products to support my daily routine. And these two really helped me make the routine easier and more sustainable for me. So bago mo sabihin na ganito na lang talaga ako kasi 40 plus na ako, stop blaming your age, please. Kawawa naman yung age. Kawawa naman si age. Maybe it's not about your age that needs changing. Maybe it's your daily habits and your metabolic health that needs more attention. So, nag-brown out po. So, yun lang. Share ko lang. Bye!